Hey my dance friends, Rob and Dyanick here to teach you Bell Bottoms Up. This goes to Lainey Wilson's new song, Bell Bottoms Up, also the name of her new bar down in Nashville. This is a great high energy dance, all level, I'd say for high beginners, not absolute beginners. 4 wall, 32 count, no tags, no restarts. We go around the room clockwise. This is what this means, clockwise. All right, so let's get started. Our weight is on our left foot, and we're gonna step touch to the right, step touch to the left. You're gonna do this little arm wave thing. If you're one of the ladies, the gentlemen are supposed to snap their fingers, or the ladies can do that as well if they prefer. Or you can just skip it all together and just do the regular step touch. No worries. So I like the arm wave. So ready? Step, touch, and then you're gonna hop together to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left. Okay, let's back that up. So it's step, touch, together, 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 together. Let's do the counts on that. I like to teach in sets of 8. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Wonderful. All right, our second set of 8, we're going to do a rolling vine. If you don't like to turn, you can do a regular 4-count vine. So the rest of us are going to roll to our right. You're going to start turning with your right, your left, your right, touch the left. Okay, let's do that again. Weights on the left, you're going to start turn, 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 touch. Awesome. That is the first 4 counts. The next 4 counts, she called a wave step, if I interpreted that correctly, because most of the step sheet is in French. And at first I thought it was weave, but it is not a weave. We're going to step to the left and touch our right and left toes in. So it's to the left, touch, to the left, touch, and. Okay, let's try that again. So when you do it, you're touching your toes in, your knees in a little bit. So maybe that's the wave she's talking about. So it's left, touch, left, touch, and. The and count is when you want to put your weight back on your left foot. Okay? And so let's try that again. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. Okay, so when I'm cueing this dance, when my dancers are learning it, I've been cueing it with the numbers, okay? They found it easier than me saying, and left, touch, okay? So I will do that for you as well during some of the demo. All right, so let's go to the top of that set of 8. You're going to do your rolling vine, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. Okay, so that's that second set of 8. It is actually 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and. Okay, so let's back that up to the beginning. That section's a little bit of a challenge, but the rest of it isn't too bad. We're going to step, touch right, step, touch left, and hop, and hop, and hop, and hop. Rolling vine, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. Okay, third set of 8, we're going to do Monterey half turns. So, Monterey turn, you're going to point the right to the side, make a half turn to your right, and point your left to the side and step together and put your weight on that left foot. Okay, let's try that again. Point, half turn, point, step together. So now you should be facing 6 o'clock away from me. Your weight is on your left foot. And so you're going to kick right, ball, point left, kick left, ball point, right. This was a newer step for a lot of my newer dancers. So let's try this set of 8 again. We're gonna point, half turn, point left together, kick right, ball point, kick left, ball point. All right, let's do it with the counts. Ready? Point 1, half turn 2, 3, step 4, kick 5 and 6, kick 7 and 8. Okay, so I'm not sure if I mentioned that you're supposed to move a little bit forward with the kick ball point because then you pony back, okay? It's probably not that big of a deal and you don't have to move too much forward, but usually those kickball change steps, we stay in one place, you're gonna move forward a little. All right, let's put that together from the top. Ready, you're gonna step, touch, and hop, and hop, and hop, and hop, rolling vine to the right, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and point, turn, point, step together, kick, ball, point, kick, ball, point. All right, now, last set of 8 is super easy. We're gonna pony back right and left. So a pony is just a step and step, step and step. And then we're gonna do 2 paddle kind of push turns, a quarter turn to our left. So you're facing the back, you're gonna end up facing the side wall at 3 o'clock. You're just going to push with a little rope arm action. All right, so we do this in Shotgun Jenny and some other dances. So with the counts, it's pony 1 and 2, 3 and 4, paddle 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try it from the top. Ready? Touch 1, 2, 3, 4, hop 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, rolling vine to the right, to the left, and touch, and touch, and touch, and point, turn, point, step together, kick, ball, point, pony back, paddle, turn. All right, nice job. Okay, that's the whole thing, so let's try it at wall 2. You're gonna step, touch, and hop, and hop, and hop, and hop, rolling vine to the right, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and point 5, 6, turn 7, 8, kick, ball, point, pony back, and push to the back wall. So now you should be facing 6 o'clock. That was wall 1 and 2. We're at wall 3. Let's do 3 and 4. Ready? Step, touch, and hop, and hop, and hop, and hop, rolling vines to the left. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and point, half turn, point together, kick, ball, point, pony back, and little push, step, touch, and hop, and hop, and hop, and hop, rolling vine to the left, side and touches, point, turn, point together, kick, ball, point, pony back, push, paddle, turn to the front. That's about it. If this video helped you, please click like and also subscribe to my channel. Try the demo with me. Thanks for watching.
573.
Five, 6, 7, 8. Step touches. Hop in. Roll in. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and point, turn, point, step, kick, a point, pony back. Push it. Hop and hold. Roll it. To the left. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and point, turn, point, step, kick, ball, points. Point back. Push. Step, touch. Hop it. Roll. Left. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and point, turn, point, step, kick, ball, points. Point back. Push your back to the front. Step, touch. Roll. Roll it.